IMTEX 2023. This is Neha Basudkar Ghate, Assistant Editor at Efficient Manufacturing Magazine. We have here with us Mr. Hrishikesh Kulkarni, who is the Chief Operating Officer at Zimmer Group. So let's start with the interview. Sir, could you please elaborate on the products Zimmer Group has and the new products that has been launched in IMTEX?
Hi, thanks for dropping by. Zimmer Group is basically a German company, and it's a 40-year-old family-owned business with the second generation coming into the business. We work in 5 different technology areas. Number 1 being handling technology. Number 2 being damping technology, where we talk about shock absorbers. Number 3 is the linear technology, where we have clamping solutions coming from the pneumatic side as well as from the hydraulic side, which is of great interest to the machine tool industry. Then we have finally the system technology area, wherein we talk about building up tailored solutions for a specific application based on the customer's needs. So the new product launch that we have had in IMTEX is the wireless digital I/O communication. This is creating a lot of buzz. This is creating a lot of interest and pulling in the crowd in our booth. So we are all excited to showcase our new technology to the market.
What is its specification? Can you elaborate on that?
The main thing is with everything going digital, with everything going wireless, now you want to have something, a solution which can be controlled remotely, and digital wireless communication helps the customer control the gripper operations remotely. In a radius of 10 to 15 meters, the customer can just log in onto a cell phone and he can control the functioning of the gripper. With 32 recipes already loaded, you can handle 32 different workpieces with only one setup. So that makes the work on the shop floor very exciting.
Great. And what are its applications?
The main application is it can go into varied applications. We can go into intralogistics, or else we can go into the pharma and food industry. Plus, in addition, electronics industry is somewhere this product can be widely accepted.
Great. Also, IMTEX is happening after like 4 years now, and today is the 3rd day. So, could you please give us a little bit hint on what is the scenario from last 3 days, and how is the footfall been, and how is it important for you to get so many interest from the customers?
I would say the first 3 days have been fabulous. We could not have asked for anything more. The footfall has been fabulous. I would say our sales team has been overloaded with the booth duties. A lot of customers coming in, and I would say a lot of warmth. People are really happy seeing each other. We had a brief hiatus because we could not meet each other in person with our customers. There were no real exhibitions happening. So the customers and of course our sales team, we are more happy to see each other in person. And as I said, there is a lot of warmth, and then there is a lot of enthusiasm and a lot of energy, which will, I would say, later on translate into some really exciting projects. So we're extremely happy that IMTEX is happening, and let's really hope that it continues.
Great. Absolutely. I would also actually would like to know, industry is actually going through a lot of shift right now. From industry 4.0 to 5.0, smart development, AI, cobots, I don't know, many more stuff. It's like it's going crazy. So what would you like to say when all this development is happening, and manufacturing excellence is actually going it's actually skyrocketing? What would you like to say about it?
I think the Indian market is fast catching up with all these global buzzwords. For sure, Industry 4.0 was something, let's say, an alien word a decade ago for the Indian machine tool industry, or maybe even for the automation sector. But now, if you talk about any customer, Industry 4.0 is a way of life now. So that's something which has drastically changed and in terms of, let's say, the way the system integrators are now working, the smarter manufacturing, how they're setting up their solutions. I think there is a lot of positive things that we can look forward to. And if I have to tell you from a Zimmer perspective, I would say we have become much more smarter in terms of giving the gripping solutions, because collaborative grippers can be actually working in a collaborative environment if they have a collaborative gripper. And that's where Zimmer Group has got a fabulous product called Match. We have displayed Match, which is working live with a collaborative gripper showing tool change solutions. And I think this is something which is going to be accepted by and large in the market. And Industry 5.0, let's see what it has in store for us.
Absolutely.
Yes.
That was really great inputs from Mr. Rishikesh. Signing off with Mr. Tarun Pine as a cameraman. Thank you.